What's good, boys and girls? This is boy King Mark the Fresh, bro. I bring you another video that I'm gonna clean this up. See all this dumpster right here? 2024, New Year's, and everybody put the trash right here instead of put in the dumpster. So I didn't show the video that I opened the lid up. So right now I got the gloves on and I'm gonna clean this up and it look like something. But if you new to the channel, make sure to like, subscribe, tell about the rock, comment, share it for your family. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button because it'll help the channel a lot. And hit me on Instagram and TikTok. Okay, boys and girls? So I'm going to show you how to clean all this mess up. This is ridiculous. This is 2024. Alright? 2023 is over with. This is a whole new year. But I hope y'all enjoying watching what I'm about to do, okay? So, enjoy. Guys, this is ridiculous. I'm tired. You already know what time it is, but that right there, I can't get that out of there because I think the dumpster people that who, you know what I'm saying, just put right there and you see it real carefully though too. But let me show y'all. See, it's like it's on it. It's on top of it. But this right here, that's, oh no. But to me, I'm gonna clean it up. Oh yeah, it's a lot. I did best I can. It's crazy. But it was different that I get this. But y'all saw how it looked from right now. Oh yeah. It looked different. It didn't. Oh my God! All that. All that is a lot, boys and girls, but I did best I can. So I hope y'all enjoying watching this. I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all subscribe. And I'm gonna check the next garbage dumpster too. Over there is that full. Alright, so Y'all stay tuned.
2 hours later.
Girl, this is the second one here. This one ain't too bad, but I'm still gonna clean it up. And you got a bed right here. Got the toys and frame, but I'm gonna leave right there. The bed, I'm gonna leave that bed right there. So only my main part is gonna be right here. So I hope y'all can continue watching. So too. Alright, boys and girls, that one's stuck. Oh, y'all see that, but that's stuck. But this is not dry. Thumbs up.
2 hours later.
Third dumpster. Yeah, it's bad, but not that bad. But what happened to the lid? That lid toe up. And look at this. Toe up. So, I still want to get this done, boys and girls. And
Fix that, bro. That's stupid.
huh?
That's stupid.
No.
That trash out there in the dumpster, man, came. There's trash still out there.
Nowhere. I'm gonna put it back in the dumpster.
Huh?
I'm gonna put it back in the dumpster.
Oh, you gonna put
I
it
know
back in
you
the
gonna put it back
Yeah.
in the dumpster.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you
Oh,
filming
you the
it?
maintenance
Yes,
guy?
sir.
Oh,
Filming
you the
it.
maintenance guy?
No, he filming it.
I'm filming it for my
Just
YouTube channel.
Showing you how nasty the
Oh.
junks and
Yeah,
stuff.
do some positive things like no kid would never do. Like nobody, let me clean the mess up and make it look like
Well,
something.
well, the dumpster guy ain't gonna get him pick that
Damn
shit
sure,
up like
like,
it was
so
the
you-
city, but yeah,
the
they
maintenance guy
need
gonna do
they
it in
need
the
a bigger
morning.
dumpster for one. They
Exactly.
need a real big dumpster. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All that shit I put out there.
Shit, if you want to make a new YouTube, when you leave here, go to right there in what that is, right here, the road right here.
So yes, I was talking to the guy telling the truth, all back there. I hope y'all see it. So I'm gonna get all this up. Yeah, it's all the way back down there. So y'all keep watching what I'll be doing. There's something positive things right here. And for this my man right here, he got one arm, he can't really do too much. So I'm gonna do it. And hope you enjoy watching. It is way back there. So I'm gonna take y'all there. Let y'all see it. comment below, and share your friend and family. And hit me up on Instagram and TikTok. Show your bro some love. And also hit that subscribe button to help the channel out. And I will see y'all next time. Deuces.